Also nilikuwa curious regarding Mr. Kodak Black. Hiyo ilikuwa pia something that didn't take by surprise because I do not know the exact case, sikuwa na the exact details, but najua Kodak Black ni mtu amekuwa sidelined na amekuwa na issues, but sijawahi jua what the issues are because I do not listen to Kodak Black and I don't care for them like that. Similar to kuna a number of artists, especially for the current hip hop scene, who are trap artists. I just don't care about their music, na siko interested, so I don't even get deeper to vitu vile wamefanya. Najua the other one ni pia why NBA Never Broke Again, Young Boy, I think that's their name. Yeah, pia kumekuwa na cases I believe kuhusu mada, kumekuwa na kina Ghana na Young Thug, so kuna these artists and their cases, but ni mention why NBA Young Boy because of story ya watu sideline. So now with Kodak I wasn't aware, but nilikuwa too curious since najua kuna few things that nimeona some sentiments regarding watu sideline, so I was checking this before we got on the live na nikapata some info kuhusu story yake, and so amekuwa na a number of cases and akona a history ya criminal cases, and you can check that online, a number of them, some kuhusu some are gun related and the like. Now this one ndo hiyo sexual assault case. This is from Complex, and what this is now, I'll read a few paragraphs kutupatia an idea ya kile ili happen. On April 28th, 4 months after being granted commutation by former President Trump, Kodak Black appeared in court to face charges of rape and sexual assault stemming from a 2016 incident in South Carolina. During his court hearing, the rapper entered a plea deal, pleading guilty to a lesser charge of first-degree assault and battery in a sexual assault case involving a young woman in a hotel room. So I learned that I plead guilty to assault na battery and not your case yenye alikuwa ana on the stand for. Then akasema, I apologize to Miss in brackets victim's name, and I'm hopeful we can all move forward. Kodak, whose full name is Bill Capri, said in court, I wish her the best in life. In a statement to Complex, Kodak's legal team said, today, Bill Capri took a plea to the legal charge of assault, a non-sex offense, and received 18 months probation. This was a change of charge from the original charge. Having consistently denied these 5-year-old allegations, he entered this plea in order to resolve the matter. Wednesday's hearing marks the end of a drawn-out case which Kodak was originally indicted for in 2017. Due to Kodak's long history of legal troubles and the length of this particular case, a lot of information has been left out of the conversation, and the whole thing has been especially hard to follow. And then this is a breakdown of this one specifically. What was Kodak Black accused of? Kodak was accused of assaulting and raping a female victim in South Carolina. The alleged assault took place in Feb 2016 following Kodak's performance at Treasure City Club in Florence, South Carolina. The victim said she attended the concert at Treasure City where she met Kodak Black and later accompanied the rapper to his hotel room at a Comfort Inn and Suites. She told police that he began to tear her clothes off and said he couldn't help himself as she screamed and tried to push him off her. According to police reports, she said he beat her BIT repeatedly and raped her as she screamed for help. The victim, who was reportedly a high school student at the time, told her school nurse, who alerted the Florence County Sheriff's Office. Then this other paragraph says, although the alleged assault occurred in Feb 2016, Kodak was not indicted by a grand jury until October 2017. He was indicted for first-degree criminal sexual misconduct. Of the grand jury's decision, 12th Circuit Solicitor E.D. Clements told reporters, "We have to seek justice. Part of that is making sure that the defendant has their rights protected, and we are going to treat him like just we would anybody else. We are going to protect his rights and give him a fair adjudication of his charges." Then kuna those other issues there, these other legal cases, but walichukua a plea to a non-sex offense. Let me see if there's anything else you can add before tuendelee. Yes, so what happened during the 28th court date, April 28th, 2021? Kodak appeared in court on the 2016 account charges of sexually assaulting a high school student after a concert. As part of a plea deal, he pleaded guilty to a lesser charge of first-degree assault and battery. According to Kodak Black's attorney, he had romantic ideas on his mind. She did not. So he ended up trying to have a romantic encounter with her and beat her as part of that and injured her. When asked by the judge if the facts stated by his attorney were true, he said, "Yes, sir." Kodak Black also apologized to the victim, saying, "I am hopeful we can all move forward. I wish her the best in life." Earlier. The public apology was a term of his plea deal. And alipata originally gonna face 30 years behind bars, but due to his lower plea deal, no longer face jail time. Alipata a 10-year suspended sentence and 18 months probation, with the condition that he takes full accountability for his action and publicly apologizes, which he complied with in court. He has also been ordered to undergo further counseling. So that's hizo ndo vitu nilikuwa naangalia just to understand Kodak's inclusion, rather Kodak's the reason people wamekuwa na issues, and then pia nilikuwa kwa alive before this ya Dead and Hip Hop nimesema wakiongelea the initial reactions to the album, na a lot of people were asking the team kuhusu Kodak Black, a lot of them were asking that question. So nilikuwa kusikuwa najua, I had to do homework kidogo kuangalia what is happening.